So to open the Google My Business account, you can just go to Google Chrome. You can see I typed Google My Business. So you look for the one that has get listed. You can see this one is having get listed here. So is this one that you click on after you type Google My Business on the on Google. So you click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to this page. So when you get to this page, you click on manage now. You can see I'm circling everything, so you'll be able to see what I'm touching. So you click on manage now. So when you click on manage now, it will take you to the next page. You can see me already have my business Egbajumo Digital verified. You can see it's stored verified. Then there was another one I was trying to create when I was helping Jumia to promote their product. So but later it's not get verified. So but you can see that there is an email. This is my email that I use. So since I'm creating a new one now, I'm going to change the email address. But your own, you can either use your email. You get. So I'll click on that my face there. I will now change the email address to a new one I want to use now. Though the Google My Business, many people you can give many people to manage it, or if you have multiple emails, you can manage it on different emails. So I want to use this new one now. So I'll click on this new email address now. Since you'll be using a new fresh account. So you put the name. The purpose of this, let me just pick a name and use. So let me use A1 Digitals. So let me assume this is the name I want to use. Ah, A1 Digitals. Create. You see what I click on? Create with this name. So business category is under ICT. Okay, so after putting the business name, then the next thing is the business category. So me, I'm using digital marketing. Let me assume I'm using digital marketing. Though it's going to give you option for your business category also. So let me click on next. So you can see what is writing for me saying, we don't understand your category. Please select from the suggested ones. So it gave me some suggestions. Let me pick something that will relate to let me say advertisements, advertising agency. You can say advertising agency. So let me use this one. Since it's from the category, it should go. So let me click on next. So this is the next stage now. Do you want to add a location customer can visit, like a store or office? This location will show on your Google map and search when customers are looking for you for your business. Let me pick no, but let me pick no for this because I'm using this as a demo. You understand? But you are going to pick here, then you put your address as well. But let me pick here since you'll be picking yes as well. So yes, let me click on next. So enter your business address. So the country is Nigeria, but your own, you change it. Then address now. The address is I just said, let me use this. I just said Street Shomolu, Lagos. Okay, let me put the number. Let me just put a number there. Okay, so that Google Map, you have to put exact number so that Google Map will be able to track that address. Then local government area. So this is Shomolu. Then the city is Lagos. So then the postal code. The postal code here is 100. So to get the postal code, what you need to do is you open another tab. Let me open another tab. You now go to Google. You put your address. Let me put my address. That same address I want to use. So I'll get the postal code. So if I go to Google now, Google is going to give me a postal code for this address. You can see this is the address Google is giving me. You can see that that's the address Google. That's the postal code 000023. So you type the address on Google, it's going to give you postal code, or you can just type the address and write postal code. You can just after typing there, you just put postal code. So you click on next. So it's going to give you a postal code. You can see that this one is another street. So you can see This is the postal code. So let me that's 00233 0000233. Let me go to the where let me go to Google My Business. 00233. That's postal code. You have to be correct with the postal code so that they won't ban or suspend the account. Then states is Lagos States. It's in Lagos States. So Lagos. Then you click on next. The postal code format is not recognized. Okay, 33. Next. So you wait for it to load. Is this your location? It looks like your business might already have a business profile on Google. If you search your business below, select it. So this is not this doesn't match. It's not my business. So they are saying that that location was picked by someone else and the person is not even here. So Agunbiade Street, Shomolu. No, this doesn't match. So do you provide delivery or home and service visit? Yes. So you click on next. Add the area you serve. Add areas like locations that you serve. US, USA, um, Lagos State, Lagos, Nigeria. Let me put Ibadan. So these are states where you can, that your services reach or that you provide your services to. So let me just stop here, but you can add more. You can add like 15 when you have the time. You just add many so that your profile will go far. Like Google will push your profile to many people, so many people will see it in that location as well. So you click on next. Once you click on next, it take you to the next page. What contact details do you want to show to your customers? So you put your phone number. So this one, let me put my phone number. Getting here, you just put the phone number. You remove the first. Okay. You put then you change this thing. Oh, my own is my country is different. So you change this to the country you get. So after changing that, you put the phone number and you click on next. That's the next thing. You click on next. So get updates. Click on yes so that Google will be sending you updates and reports on how your business is performing on Google. So after this, you click on next as well. So once you click on next, take you to the next page. So just wait for it. This number, yes. I want to get a no, let me pick, you pick on text. Oh, they can't text me. You can see that text is not showing, it's not bold enough, meaning that you can only pick calls, not text. So they can only call me. I'm trying to click on that text, but they are not allowing me. So let me click on next. The reason why it's giving me this option for me to be verified immediately is because one, I'm using my address, and two, I'm using the number I'm using is with me here. Like I'm here, I'm the one doing it. So let me click on next. That it should be phone call. So they are going to call my other phone here now. They are going to call my other phone and I'll put it there. Let me just wait. They've not called the phone. Again, I didn't get the call from them. So I'm trying it again now. So let me see. After the phone call, they are going to send the code. So after they send the code, they will send you a mail. You can see they just sent me a mail now. Welcome to business profile A1 Digitals. So you click on the manage my profile, this one. So after getting a verification code, so you click on this to manage your business profile. So I don't know why it's not. So if you can't see it, this one they did not send me the code though. So let me still. I waited for the call. The call didn't came in. So not this one. Let me change the email address to this over here. So I waited for the code. All right. So what I did was after I waited for the code and I didn't get the code, I laid a complaint to Google. I dropped a complaint that I didn't get the code, and I think that's why it's not showing. So if you want to check, click on manage to check. Let you click on manage. Let me see the verification for this one. So this was the old one I was trying to verify. So let me click on next. I'll put the address. So you can see this is another option. They said the option for this one is business video. You can see that other one was very easy for me because that one was phone call verification. But this one now, if I click on more option, you can see what I did for that other one when I was having the when I didn't see the call. It can be maybe because of network. I didn't get any call from them. So I clicked on contact support. Then I laid a complaint that I didn't get any call or stuff like, and I submitted. Then they are going to work on it. So this one is business video, you can see. So but for your own, I'm sure since you are using your phone, you are using your phone number over there, they should give you either call or SMS verification. But you understand. But this one, I used I think I used another location or so. That's why they are giving me business video verification. So if I click on the video, you can see they said your location should match your business profile area. So if I click on next, then they asked me to start recording. I'm asked to start recording. They said capture your business surrounding first before moving inside. So make sure you capture all three requirements. Most successful video are 1 to 2 minutes. Video longer than 5 minutes won't be accepted. So I'm asked to capture plain ahead. Make sure you capture all three requirements. One, okay. So and you can't change option if you want to change option. It's not possible for you to change option. This is the option you have to provide.